student, let's continue with the same chapter, chapter 11, cleanliness, health and hygiene. In the first part of video, I have already explained about cleanliness of our body parts, health, hygiene, and how can we keep our environment clean. Now, today I am going to start the new topic, cleanliness of home and surrounding. Cleanliness of our body, home and surrounding is the most important way to prevent diseases. Beside cleanliness of one's body, one must be concerned about cleanliness of house and surroundings. So, children, you are taking care of your body cleanliness, but it is not sufficient. You have to take care of your surrounding cleanliness also for your good health. If a person defecates, urinates or spit on an open place, the passers-by might step on it and get infected with the harmful germs. Now these days you are hearing that person spit and the another person getting corona disease. That's why always we are saying use mask, use mask. So sometimes we have to take care of these small things. Keep drinking water and food always covered. Flies carry germs might sit on the uncovered food and water and cause diseases such as diarrhea and cholera. Sometimes you are seeing now flies are flying and sitting on uncovered food, and it may be cause of many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, etc. In order to prevent the spread diseases and to keep the house clean, follow the given step. So children, here I am going to give some step for good environment or clean environment. Listen carefully. We should have proper toilets with proper flush system in our houses. We should also keep the toilets clean and free from foul smell. Children, sometimes you are not flushing the toilet. It is very bad habit. When you use the toilets, after that properly flush it for another person. Number 2, do not throw garbage in open. Always use dustbin for throwing garbage. Also, it should be disposed of at proper place. Flies and mosquito might sit on the garbage thrown in open, spread germs that cause of diseases. So, always throw garbage in dustbin, because when we are throwing garbage here there, so many flies and mosquitoes might sit on garbage, and after that they will sit on food, that is cause of diseases. In rural areas, a compost pit can be used for depositing garbage. The opening of pit should be kept covered. After a few months, garbage will be turned into manure, which can be used in field. In rural areas, people are using that garbage for compost, and they are using it in field. That is good for fertilization. Number 3, pollute water of the house should not be allowed to follow the open space. Every house should have proper drainage system. So, pollute water is not good for health, and always closed drainage system you have to use. Here is some more rules to keep your environment clean and healthy. Listen carefully. Number 1, do not defecate, urinate or spit in an open place. Stop others from doing these. Such activities make the surrounding dirty and allow germs that cause diseases to grow. Children, don't urinate or spit on open place. Stop other. If other person is doing like this, you stop. Tell them to don't do here, go in toilet, or give some extra advice so it can make your environment clean. Number 2, do not throw plastic bags or packets here and there. These block the drains. The dirty water from the blocked drain comes out the pollutes the surrounding. These water may allow the germs to grow. When we are throwing plastic, it may block the drains, and after that so many mosquitoes and flies there. That is the cause of germ, and it is the most important cause of diseases. So it is not good for health. So try to avoid plastic use. Number 3, say no to plastic. Instead, use paper bags or cloth bags for carrying your stuff. So always try to not use any plastic bag because it is very harmful for our environment. And do always use cloth bag or paper bag. Number 4, try to reuse things as much as possible. For example, waste plastic bottle or cans can be used for planting tree. Always try to use the thing to. So children, always try to reuse the things. You are seeing in rural area how people are using garbage as composite manure. So, and you in home also you can use plastic bottle for use to planting tree. Number 5, grow more plants in your surrounding. Plants make the surroundings look beautiful and also clean the air. So always you are hearing grow more plants. It is good for surroundings. So for cleaning the environment, these are the steps that is very important. And homework for you, you will read the chapter 2 or 3 times. Thank you.